Get ready to be blown away. The OnePlus 15 is here, and it's packing 10 game-changing upgrades that could make or break your next smartphone decision. But here's where it gets controversial. While some features are undeniably impressive, others might leave long-time fans scratching their heads. Let's dive into the good, the bad, and the downright bold. First up, the OnePlus 15 is a marathon runner in the battery department. Boasting a massive 7,300 mAh cell, this isn't just a small bump, it's a leap that promises all day and then some usage, whether you're binge-watching, gaming, or multitasking like a pro. Say goodbye to constant battery anxiety. And if that wasn't enough, OnePlus has cranked up the fast charging speed to 120 watts. Sure, it's only a 20% jump from the already speedy 100 watts of its predecessor. But hey, every bit counts, especially when Apple and Samsung are still playing catch-up. But here's the kicker. Is this upgrade truly revolutionary, or just a modest flex? Let us know what you think in the comments. Now, let's talk display. The OnePlus 15 shrinks the screen slightly to 6.78 inches. But don't let that fool you. It's a trade-off for a jaw-dropping 165Hz refresh rate. Gamers, rejoice! However, the resolution takes a step back from 2K to 1.5K, which might be a deal-breaker for pixel purists. And this is the part most people miss. The new BOE X3 display material isn't just about slimmer bezels, though at 1.15mm they're practically invisible. It's also about longevity, efficiency, and color accuracy. But does a higher refresh rate justify the resolution downgrade? You be the judge. OnePlus has also gone flat, with the 15 ditching the quad-curved display of the 13 for a sleek, sturdy design. Love it or hate it, it's a bold move that caters to those who prefer practicality over flash. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this a step forward or a step back? Share your thoughts below. Photography enthusiasts, listen up. The OnePlus 15's main camera sensor has grown from 1 to 1.56 inches to 1 to 1.4 inches, capturing more light for sharper, more detailed shots, especially in low-light conditions. The telephoto lens has also been upgraded to 3.5 times magnification, offering an 85mm equivalent focal length. This means closer, clearer portraits and better background compression for that pro-level look. But here's the real question. Can OnePlus's new Detail Max engine live up to or even surpass the legendary Hasselblad collaboration? The OnePlus 13 was the last flagship to feature it, and now the pressure's on. If Detail Max delivers, it could redefine mobile photography. If not, it might be a tough pill for fans to swallow. Speaking of tough pills, the iconic alert slider is gone, replaced by the customizable plus key. While it's a functional swap, it's also a sentimental loss for many. Is this a deal breaker for you? Let's debate it in the comments. Finally, the price. The OnePlus 15 starts at CNY $3,999, $562 for the base model, undercutting its predecessor by a solid $70. In a world where prices only seem to climb, this is a refreshing change. But will the global pricing follow suit? Only time will tell. All in all, the OnePlus 15 is a bold step forward, but it's not without its trade-offs. Would it be your next smartphone? And while you're pondering that, don't forget to check out Iconic Phone's Revolution at Your Fingertips, a stunningly illustrated book celebrating 20 years of mobile innovation. Launching this fall, it's the perfect coffee table companion for any phone enthusiast. Sign up now for early bird discounts and relive the revolution. Learn more here. https://store.phonearena.com/products Iconic Phones hardback.